Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here. Hello, how are we today? You doing good? Well, I am too. I woke up with the mindset of live like how you want life to be. So your girl put on her makeup, put on her clothes, and I am living my life like I am about business, and that is what today is encapsulating. It is a Thursday, and she is so lucky because today I did get some packages in. I'm expecting another one, but I was going to wait until that one came. But why? Why not just go ahead and share what we already have? So let's pop open some packages. I do need to go check and work some emails today. I have laundry to do. I have, my granddaughter to attend to. She is actually still asleep right now, so that's a good thing. Let me go ahead and take care of these hands. I have this oil-free moisture broad spectrum of SPF 50, this proactive that I've had for eons. I know, eons. And I don't really use proactive, but I kept that around because it's good for the hands, and I always put SPF on my hands as well. So y'all make sure you take care of your hands like that. Do you make sure? I'm just checking now. Be walking around here and wondering why age spots are there and wrinkles are on the hands. Take care of those hands. They work hard for you. So mine are about to work hard and open up these packages. So what we got? And y'all already know I'm an Amazon influencer, so I do grab some of the great campaigns that they have, especially things I know I can use. So when I share with you things that I have received, these are things that I definitely want to use and will use. So they're just not, take this and review it for us. No. I grab what I know is something good. So in this little box here, yes, darling, this is an entire kit, y'all. And in this kit, you have everything you need to patch up a nail hole, a dent, or a crack on your wall. Yes, this is this. This is a drywall repair kit by Ningu. It's a stress-free solution to those everyday wall blemishes that drive you nuts. Now we're getting ready again to paint Royal's room, and I'm going to be using this to patch up those little holes and nicks and dings in the wall. Now y'all, what makes this a must-have? Let me just break it down why I got this, and I want to thank Ningu for sending it over to me. It comes with 2 100-gram tubes of white semi-fluid wall putty, nozzle extenders, a plastic putty knife, sandpaper, and a wall patch. Everything you need to patch holes, cracks, and even ceiling damage. No need for messy buckets or mixing. Just squeeze, scrape, let it dry, sand it smooth, and paint when you're ready. That's it. I love this. And guess what? It's also low odor. I love it so much. So if you're tired of staring at imperfections on your walls, or if you're preparing to move and want to get that deposit back, this kit is your best friend. It's cost effective, it's easy, and it delivers pro level results without the pro level price tag. It's right on Amazon, y'all. You already know. I got the link for you in the description box. So I'll be using it to patch up in Royal's room before I paint the room. So super excited to have this. So glad to have it. And that'll take care of that little chore. And I think I'm going to paint it maybe like an off-white, something like that, nothing where I can't rearrange the room around it. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be kind of, versatile. So anywho, and then we have a teeny tiny little package here. Oh my goodness, look. Y'all, I've been trying to save my eardrums, and I thought the best way to do this is to get some earplugs. And these are the top of the line earplugs. Let me tell you, if you're anything like me, you need your sleep to function at 100%. But when snoring starts, the street noises kick in, or you're trying to nap while traveling, forget about it. That's why I was excited to partner with EYELINER. EYELINER sent over these noise canceling earplugs, and wow, they delivered more than I expected. Y'all, first off, the 45 decibel noise reduction is no joke. I popped these in and it was like the world just faded out. The hum of appliances, random chatter, snoring, okay, gone. It's not complete silence, but it's just enough peace and quiet to let me unwind, relax, and finally get that rest I've been missing. What I really appreciate is how comfortable they are. The silicone is super soft, and they come with 8 ear tips in different sizes, so I could find the perfect fit. No pressure, no slipping out. I even wore them all night without any irritation. It honestly felt like they molded to my ears. And for anyone who's sensitive to ear pressure, the built-in relief valve is everything. They're also reusable, which is a win for my wallet and the planet. Just a quick rinse, let them dry, and they're good to go. And the little carrying case, oh genius, lightweight, compact, and even has a keychain lanyard so I can clip it to my bag or keys. Whether you're heading to a loud concert, trying to catch a nap on a plane, or just need a break from everyday noise, these earplugs are a total game changer. They help me protect my peace anytime, anywhere. If you're looking to finally get that quiet time you deserve, definitely check these out. I'll link them in my Amazon storefront so you can grab a pair and try them for yourself. But anywho, let me go ahead and get this day started. And y'all, I'm glad you're here for the come along, okay? I also wanted to share with y'all something very, very special. So let's go ahead and get that done. Let's do that right now, okay? And I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, girl, you didn't need any more sunglasses. No more sunnies, sweet angel. But y'all, I had to grab these. These are so cute. The Feisity sunglasses, girl, they make the best. And I couldn't resist. And I rocked these on yesterday, and I was so cute. Got so many compliments on them. Look at there. Look at the detail. Oh my word. So cute. Oh yeah. I love these. We got to go somewhere to show out. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love it. I love it. And the great part about it, you know, they're dark up here. So when you're looking, the sun is blocked. But when you look down, you can see so clear. I love that. Hey, if you're all about big, bold shades that turn heads and keep your eyes right, these Feisity joints are the move, baby. Let me tell you. First off, the one-piece lens. Straight fire, right? Super clean, super fly, and perfect for those I'm not wearing makeup, but still look bomb kind of days. That's right. And I love the round frame. It hits just right. And the fit, mad comfortable. Light on the face, smooth arms and nose pads, no slipping, no pinching. And get this, they've got UV 400 protection, so you're blocking out the sun's harsh vibes while still serving looks. Whether you're out running errands, catching brunch, or just vibing in the sun, these shades got you covered. And baby, I love them. They're stylish, functional, and won't break the bank. Say less, baby, say less. All right, y'all, I have nothing much else going on today, but I will check y'all out later on this week. So please stick and stay, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, beautiful babes. Bye now.
Grandma whispered, she's the song her mama sang. She's the fire of every sister, rising high.